Alright guys, so we're out here today. We're going to be doing some more smallmouth fishing. But we're going to try something different today. So I bought these yesterday. Rattle and Ned, the Googan baits. They got like little shakers in them and they're mooncake colored, so they should be pretty perfect. And then I got some Ned rig heads to put on those, so hopefully be some good fishing. I have a correct, my nice right-handed rod this time, instead of that left-handed junker I was using last time. So it should be a good time. We're going to actually take a boat out this time and go wherever we want, so it should be a good time.
Parker, do you have? Oh, I got it. Yeah, that one felt a lot different than a sunfish.
I'm fighting one down here for.
Man, these things are stubborn today. Pitching it right in front of their faces.
It won't even go half for it.
When are you guys getting Chinese food?
He's going.
It's
fat.
No, you don't.
And got it.
There we go. That one's in the boat. Yeah.
What'd you guys do with all the fish that you caught?
Yeah.
If we find a good.
Oh no! Somebody on net. Look at your net rig. They're slowly sinking to the bottom.
Garrison, reach over and grab that.
I'm seriously, do we have a net in here somewhere?
It's $1 a piece. Get it.
Seriously.
Okay. I'm watching a dollar float away in the water.
No.
I can't.
Get it.
Yeah. No, well,
No.
0 for 5. No, 1 for 5.
Oh,
Can't forget that one I caught.
We've halfway caught.
That's about as far as we can get right there.
Yeah, they release themselves though, even better.
Yeah,
Oh, that's true.
what I was saying. It was,
Let's have a guess on how much he weighs. Hand me the fish now.
Where are we gonna keep him? Like, you didn't.
Oh, did anyone bring a towel?
Alright, what are we thinking? 1.5?
1. I'd say shy of 1.
Really?
Yeah, he doesn't feel that heavy.
Oh, jeez, man. He's bloody. This is a brand new scale, too. There we go. Oh.
What is it?
1.29. That's a pretty good one.
Not bad.
That's a lot better. Dude.
Where are you gonna put him? No.
I really don't know. Wind chimes.
That might be the closest thing we get to a. Yeah, it might also be the closest thing. There we go.
Flaying knife.
How about it?
Go for it. You know fillet.
Yeah, I know. The last time I did that was like 2 summers ago on a big salmon.
Yep. You need to do it again.
I'm rusty. Oh, I'm missing so much meat. We're gonna call that good for now. Alright, the second one should be better than the first.
Hopefully. You missed all of the good stuff.
This one's gonna be better, I promise. Do you want to do this one, Caden?
Yeah.
Like.
We just taught some boys how to fish. Honestly, I'm proud of myself.
Are you gonna update?
So,
yeah, there you go.
we got the fish filleted. They're going to go out tubing for a little bit. Caden and I are. Just going to sit around for a bit, and then we'll probably go out in that boat again a little bit later. Yep, that's what's on the agenda. And then hopefully we can try that later and not get poisoned. Sounds good.
Just got this little guy. Thought the camera was on. It wasn't. That's alright. Yeah, I didn't even jig that one. I just let it sit and then paddled over to it, lifted up my rod, and there he was. There's another one. Oh, that one came off. Alright, so Parker's heading back right now. I'm going to try to catch one more fish on this dock. I lost a few. That was a terrible cast, but... Oh, alright. There's a fish. Little dude. There we go. I try to catch a couple more actually. We're gonna get back on the boat after that. There's another one.
Alright, so we're back out here in the good old paddle boat now. Back to the spot. You know, if we catch another mondo, you know, double catch and cook. But if we don't, then we will do nothing with it. This is just some bonus content, but I mean, yeah. I haven't caught a single fish today. Let's get it. Like, I've been missing them left and right like bad.
Are those fish?
Yeah. On that, it shouldn't be that bad for them to bite.
Oh, that's a fish. I missed him now.
It shouldn't be that big, should it? Look at that. I think that's a nice one.
We need to back up. Oh shoot. Are you gonna save the little bass or you just
I was like right here before it came on.
taking the oldest?
Yes, sir. Look how beautiful the pool pond fish is. Like, those are some nice colors on them too. Gee dang.
Alright, let's clean up your mess here.
This is where we start to pound them out, I guess.
Oh, I'm stuck here.
Oh, there's a fish in the boat.
Still biting. Alright.
You can vibrate freaking fast, mate.
Hmm?
I won't choke it.
Pool pond fish. All of the fish in this lake are oh, you got one? Double up. Double, don't lose them. Don't lose them. Doubled up.
Oh, that's a nice one. The camera's not even close to pointed at it.
Yeah, it is.
It's got water.
Is that good enough? I'm kind of calling it good enough.
Good.
Alright, first double of the day. Alright.
Got another double, boys. There's one.
There's two.
Oh, by the way, that thing was torn to shreds on that fish. That fish annihilated my bait.
Well, I'm not.
That one tore it apart. Like, that's torn. Like, bad. Like, that's all the way torn up through. I'm gonna have to flip it upside down now. And then when we get back to camp,
Oh my. Is that a fish?
probably just cut it off.
It seems like they all start biting at one time. We've had two
I'm
doubles
gonna get
in
the
the last
most use
10
out of this
minutes.
I can. I need to bend that hook back in place when we get to camp.
Alright, that's another one. Getting way too dark for the GoPro to see anything, I bet you, but that's alright. That one came right under the boat. Oh, that's a late fish. You saw it. Live well.
You get that on video?
Yeah, but it's too
Oh,
dark.
geez.
Here, let me turn on my phone light real
Oh
quick.
my word.
Dude, that's a live well back there.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, dude, I just pulled
Okay,
it up
pull
and
him
I
out.
like, ducked and then he
Pull him out. I got 5 minutes to go. I got 1 minute GoPro space left. It's 7:40 and we're still catching fish.
Dude, I brought that thing wet, but I knew it was gonna come off, so I ducked, and then it just flopped in the back.
Mint. Dude, honestly, prime time. Like, if you come out here at a really good time of year, like, it's a crap time of night. We can't even see. And I gotta poop really bad. So, like, if I was, like, at peace right now, and, like, dude, this Googan bait right here, I highly recommend these. Like, I don't know where you guys are or what color, but, like, these mooncake ones, where we are right now, are doing, and, like, look how dark, like, it's really dark out right now. Like, it's really dark out. Like, this is doing good.
There's fish jumping around us too.
Oh, yeah, that did just happen a minute ago.
We'll get a nice little flashlight for that one.
I can't see my bait anymore. I just keep reeling it up to the end of my rod.
Anyways, that's a sunfish. I'm gonna let him go.
I don't even know where my bait's going anymore.
There's a whole bunch of fish right under us.
Caden's last.
That was my last fish of summer, isn't it?
Probably. It's been a good summer, honestly, though. Like,
Well, right there is probably my last fish of this summer. Right there.
That's a beautiful one for the pool pond.
Time, this isn't sponsored because like we only got 270 subs, but this thing has been ripping them up. Like I was literally catching nothing today, and I've caught at least 10 out here. And like, look how dark it is. I just caught a fish, I think 2-3 minutes ago, and Caden just caught that. So I mean, it's been good. But we're filming this on a Sunday. I go back to school in 2 days, so I mean, hunting season starts 6 days from today. Wait, when do they do the doe permit drawing?
Second week in September.
Yep. So Caden and I will both be bow hunting. Hope that I can have some success this year. I might even take my shotgun out a couple times. And yeah, hopefully it'll be a good time. Last summer fishing we'll do. So having a good time and making it last. Okay, so it's really late out, so we're not gonna be able to cook that fish. But that was a big one. Nick might cook it tomorrow. So but I hope you got. That's 100% the plate we dropped off the dock. Can you see it?
Yep, we'll grab that real quick.
Anyways, no, it's fine. This is our
That's it.
this is our last summer video, and then we're gonna get in hunting. Oh. Yeah. It's been a good summer. Had some fun, good moments, and so this is just a neg rig video basically. Like trying out the new Googan Squad one. It's worked out wicked good. So hope you guys enjoyed. We enjoyed it. It's probably last summer, like I already said, last bass fishing video until next year, unless we happen to catch some ice fishing. But don't forget to like and subscribe.